Hello everyone. I will show you today how to read Excel file. Okay, so I have an Excel file that is already created. So let's open it. So the file name is login credentials. So let's open it. So we have two rows and where I have put some email and password. I want to just read this data from this Excel file. So what I have to do? I'll just go to Eclipse and create a project. That's a simple Java project. Click on next. And the project name can be like Excel. So under SRC, I have got a default file. I'll delete it. And then firstly, I have to add some libraries. Okay. And I should go to nvnrepository.com, and there I have to add some jar files. Okay, so first one is poi. Okay, so this one, click on this, let's say 4.1.2, and then here I can see the jar file. Click on it. Okay, and then I have to download poi-ooxml, and then this one, and then I can see there is a version 4.1.2 and that has more users. Okay, and then jar file, and then I can also download some schema. So maybe this one, I have already searched on it. Okay, so this, and I got this one that has 125 users, and let's download this one. Okay, so I have to download now XML beans. Okay, so very first one. Okay, so it has more users, 3.1.0. Download the jar file, and then I can search for commons collections, and then click on this one, and then I can select the 4.4 because it has 2112 users, and then select the jar files, and now I can search for commons compress. Okay, and then click on this one, and then I got this one 1.21 because it has 910 users. Okay, click on it, and then I got the jar file here. Okay, so I have downloaded all the jar files and I can see from here these are the jar files. Okay, so I have to add in our project library. So I can go to the project name and right click, build path, configure build path, and then select class path, add external jars, and then go to downloads, select all the jar files that I have downloaded, all the 6 jar files, open it and apply and close. And then now under SRC, I got new package, right? Test. Under test, I can create a class, read Excel, and then click on public static void main. Firstly, I have to define a location of the Excel file. I can say string name equal in double quote. So that's the file, this one. So copy it and then pass it here. So I can say it's static. So now I can apply try and catch. Okay. In catch, it should throw an exception when I can't read from Excel file. So I can say e dot print stack trace. Okay. I'll say here file input stream. That's the one. Okay. And then say file equal new control space enter. So I have to define path. Okay. So copy this and pass it. Now I'll say workbook this one, and I can say workbook equal new. So I'll say here XSSF workbook. Okay, and then I have to pass this file. Okay, and then I have to call the data formatter. Okay, and then data formatter equal say new control space enter. Okay, So I'll say here workbook dot sheet iterator. I can save it in iterator. Type will be sheet, okay, and then the name can be like sheets, okay. Then while sheets dot has next, okay, I'll say sheets dot next, okay. Sheet s equal, say here sheet, and then I can print the sheet name that I'm working with, okay. So let's say system.out.println in double quote like sheet name, okay, sheet dot get sheet name, okay, and then sheet dot iterator, and then I can save it in iterator, and the type will be row, and then here I can say iterator. Okay. After that, there will be a while loop iterator dot has next, okay, not this one, has next iterator dot next, that is a row, and then I can say here a row dot iterator, and then say here iterator and pass cell. I can save it, okay. So I can say cell iterator, okay, and then while cell iterator dot has next, I can say cell iterator dot next, and say here cell, and I can call the data formatter dot, okay, say format cell value, and in here I'll pass cell, okay, that's a string, okay, and then I can say that's a cell value, okay, and then I can print out the cell value, okay, cell value, and then say here in double quote I can say /t, okay, and then it should print a empty line, okay, and then after this one I should also place a print statement, just a single line, okay, then right click and run as Java application, and then I should get the information, okay, that is it. So I can format it actually. So in here I can say like this one I should print in a single line, okay, and then yes, I can get it, okay. So that's how I can read from Excel file, okay. So that is it.